Hello science family. Today we're going to be dealing with the foul water lab. If you take a look, this is some really dirty water. So this is going to be a mixture, but this is definitely a heterogeneous mixture. There's a bunch of different chunks in here, different colors. It's not a very nice mixture. So this is some dirty water. Now, we're going to take some observations, mention its physical properties, and we're going to slowly try to clean this water through something we call physical separations. So to do that, the first thing we need to do is kind of get our pulse on this liquid and see what it's like. If you look at your lab, we're going to be collecting data on its color, its clarity, its odor or its smell, if the presence of any oil, if we see any oil in it, and also if there's any solids. So some of these will be a yes/no answer, but we'll go through that. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to give this nasty water a shake, and I'm going to measure out, like the lab says, I'm going to try to get about 100 milliliters of this dirty water to start. So we're going to fill up our graduated cylinder. We're going to measure that and make sure that it's at 100 milliliters, which it is. Perfect. So, looking on your lab write-up in the data table, first thing we can do is we can start by saying that we have 100 milliliters of our foul water. Go ahead and write that down. Now, the color, you can take a look at it, but it looks like a brownish, beige, yellow kind of color to it. Definitely dirty. Now, when we're making observations, we want to make sure we write it in a way that people understand. So I would definitely say that this is a light beige or a yellow in there. Okay, so go ahead and write that down. As far as clarity, take a look. It's not very clear, right? It's cloudy. So let's write that down as cloudy. As far as the odor, you can't smell it. Oh, but I can, and it doesn't smell particularly nice. Notice that I'm wafting. You never want to go up to something that's unknown and just take a big whiff of it, okay? But I would say that it has like a garlicky, almost spicy kind of smell to it, whatever this dirty water is. As far as presence of oil, if you can take a look, you can see the separation between the water on the bottom and some type of oily substance on top. So the answer would be for your data table, yes, there is a presence of oil. And is there a presence of solids? You can see some of the chunks of solids right there and also at the bottom. So the answer is yes, there are still solids in there.